Completely waterproof. This is a marine speaker that's completely waterproof and can be used for several vehicles because it can withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 120 watts power. The speaker has a 20 ounces circuit magnet for a full-range audio and complete stereo speaker sound system. The power output is 60 watts RMS, 120 watts peak. It has a frequency response of 45 Hz to 16 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Weather resistant. It's a weather-resistant speaker made of polypropylene cone with cloth surround for a rugged and durable design. It is also engineered with heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket and grille construction to combat sun damage. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design and 1-inch aluminum voice coil that can be easily used on boats, marine watercraft and other vehicles. The classic white look also gives extra style to the vehicle. 6.5 inches standard size. These marine speakers are easy to install with 6.5 inches standard size, complete wirings and mounting hardware. It has a universal standard OEM replacement size with a mounting depth of only 2.48 inches and cutout size of 5.31 inches. Speaker total diameter, 7.09 inches. Top reviews from the United States. A great purchase. I replaced some old speakers in my fishing boat and chose these based on the reviews and the cheap price. My boat is exposed to the elements most of the season, so I didn't want to put expensive speakers in it. Also, when at speed, the noise of the motor drowns out the music anyway. So I just needed speakers that sound good at low speed and when fishing. These are the perfect purchase. I just installed them and they sound great. Clear, crisp and nicely balanced. They also look very clean and the all-plastic housing won't rust. For the money, these cannot be beat.